Dr. Mel. I'm Dr. Mel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how simple meditation truly is and how you can start making it a practice today. So let's get started. Let's first start by finding a comfortable, quiet space that you won't be disturbed. And you can sit comfortably in the chair or cross-legged on the floor or even laying in bed. And you can start with your eyes open, watching the laptop or your phone, probably your phone, and start with a body scan. Notice any areas that have muscle tension. Maybe it's in your jaw, the top of your head, your neck, your abdomen, or maybe you've been suffering from pain or an ailment for quite some time and you want to focus on that area. But I ask you to please not restrict the area, just be aware of it and sit with it. And as you sit here, you may notice, besides my voice, you may have other voices going on in your head or a single voice telling you you have a million things to do later. Why am I listening to this video? Or there's something in the past that you've been thinking about that has been irritating you and you can't stop thinking about it. Maybe visualize those thoughts just sitting on a cloud, drifting away. And as the thoughts come and go, find something to bring you back to the present. Some people like to focus on the tip of their nose, focus on their breath coming in through their nose and back out, visualizing the breath coming in through the tip of the nose and back out. Or others like to focus on a mantra, a single word or phrase to get your focus back. A common one is You can say the word or just think about it in your head, or you can make the sound every time you feel like you're losing your thought or going down a rabbit hole. A mantra phrase that I like to use is peace begins with me. I add a mudra with it, which is just a simple hand gesture. Peace begins with me. Peace begins with me. This one I can use in my everyday life. When my boss sends me an email about something he didn't like the way I did, or something that I need to do, instead of reacting on my emotions and getting triggered, peace begins with me. And then I can respond more reasonably rather than responding out of a reaction right away. Another way I find it helps for a lot of my clients that are moms, when their children are fighting, usually they just want to go and yell at them. But if they use the mudra and mantra, peace begins with me, say it in your head or aloud 3 times before reacting to what they're doing, you may find that you respond in a new light or find a different way to talk to them and calm them down. If you like the content I shared today, please subscribe. I love when my viewers subscribe. Stay healthy, be well, and take care.